I'm Giampaolo, your consultant for Big Kaiser products. Today, I would like at our EWN fine boring head to explain to you how to perform a precise pin turning on a machine center with the same boring head. EWN, are you ready?
Yes, I am. Hello everyone. Who said you can't turn precision pins on machining centers? With me this is also possible. I can do this with the help of a bridge and a counterweight. I am capable of machining precision pins from a diameter of 16 to 2,836 millimeters. And all that with standard insert holders. Unbelievable, isn't it? Look at the animation on this video to see how easy it is. Would you like to see for yourself what I am capable of? Call a Big Kaiser colleague and we will be right with you. Stay tuned, see you soon.
Thank you, EWN. Well said. If you would like to know more about our products or try them yourself, just contact us anytime.